Welcome to Spring Into Clean. I am deep cleaning this bathroom, and what I'm doing right now is just spraying it down with a little bit of vinegar and Dawn dishwashing liquid and water, and I'm going to let that do its job. While it's soaking in, I'm going to be cleaning the other parts of the bathroom, and then I'll get back and I'll take care of that. But before I get started, I want to let you know that this video is brought to you by the coldest water. And I'll tell you more about that in a minute. In the meantime, let me get these things sprayed down and then I'll come back. So I've been using this so that I can use less product. So now that I've got the tub sprayed down and kind of letting the product do its thing, and I've got the toilet sprayed down and letting the product do its thing, I'm going to take everything else off all the surfaces, clean the mirror, clean all the different surfaces, and then I'll get that done. And then once everything is washed up, I'm going to tackle the under the bathroom sink area. It's a black hole, but it needs sorting out. And I'll just get this shower liner down and get it thrown in the wash with the bath mat. I take this down a couple times, well, several times a year, and throw it in the wash, put a little bleach in there, and that keeps the mildew from growing on the bottom of the shower curtain. Plus, when I close the curtain, I make sure that the plastic liner is on the outside of the tub and not on the inside, so that it doesn't stay moist, so that it does dry and doesn't pick up that grunge. Typically, when I'm just cleaning the bathroom, I'll just spray it with a little Method day-to-day shower cleaner or something like that. But when I'm doing my Spring Into Clean, then I'll scrub it down with the Dawn and the vinegar wash, and then I'll dry it out with a microfiber towel. And just drying it out just makes the finish a little bit nicer. Now I'll get this toilet cleaned off. And I've got a different cloth that I'm using here on this toilet bowl compared to the one I used over on the sink. And I'm doing more than my normal swish and swipe. I'm actually cleaning around the base of the toilet bowl today. Now I'm going to use this same spray around the back of the toilet. When I mop in here, I don't always get back there. I'm exhausted. And this water is nice and cold. I have to tell you, I am loving this coldest water bottle. And probably the best thing that I like about it, other than the fact that it really keeps the water cold, is that the bottle doesn't sweat. So when I set it on the table, I don't have to worry about water rings. I make everybody use a coaster under all their glasses and even some of their water bottles because I don't want water rings on my wood tables. But this, it's not leaving a water ring, so I'm loving that. And it is double insulated, so it really keeps the water nice and cold. And I am loving that, particularly right now when I am hot and sweaty and tired. And one of the things that I'm concerned about, and I know many of you are as well, is how much plastic is in the environment. And the use of refillable water bottles such as this can help you get your water in, but also reduce your environmental footprint. So I'm really loving that. And these bottles come in other colors. Besides this beautiful pink, they also have like a stealth black and a really nice red, a white, and even a teal blue that my sister would absolutely die for. And it fits in most cup holders in the car. I can hang it on the end of my gym bag. I can stick it in my work bag, and it will float if you are in the pool. The Coldest Water people were nice enough to give me a discount code. I will put it in the description box below so that you can check that out, and I encourage you to do so. I've been putting off getting underneath that bathroom cabinet for a while, and today is the day. So I guess I better get back at it. You can tell I'm getting a workout. Look at my hair. It's starting to fall. So I'm going to get everything out of this cabinet. I've got way too much stuff in here, so some of it's going to be purged. And some of it's going to go back in. Way too much stuff under here. Now you see what it looks like without all that other stuff in there on this top shelf. So, yep, this shelf needs some cleaning. But I've had some spillage of something right there. It's discolored the wood right there, so I'm going to cover it with contact paper, and then I'll get everything put back in once I go through those bins that were down there. I keep my shaving stuff in here and bars of soap. So why shaving things were in this one, I don't know. These razors belong in this box. There we go. Goes in that box. That should be in that box. Those go in there. So this box is good. But those weren't the boxes I was concerned about. It was the stuff underneath. Like here I've got some soaps. And I don't know why I bought these bars of soap, because I never used bars of soap. I got it at a craft fair. Tell you what, I'm going to take one bar out and I'm going to put it right there to force myself to use it. And then if I don't use these soaps in the next month, I'm just going to discard them. Some of these things have been in here for a while and they're definitely outdated. And that's probably where that stain came from in the cabinet, from off the bottom of this, because I keep these kinds of things in it. So ooh. It used to smell really good, but now it just smells like alcohol. So I guess it's past its prime. I just got these out of the wash. And the bath mat, I'll usually just wash off with a little brush or whatever, but when I'm doing a deep clean, I'll throw it in the wash as well. I just wash it with detergent and add a little bleach, or you could add vinegar and it comes out nicely. We're going to get this done before the hubby comes up and sees me.
St. Patrick's Day next holiday?
Yep.
Must be, yeah.
Amen. I don't know why that would be.
What are you doing now?
I'm putting this back on. I'm just... What?
You get some old bells.
No. I'm not Simone Biles.
No, you're not. Sure.
Okay, there we go. So now you can see what it looks like here. This is the first shelf, and I've got some things right there sorted out. There, and then this is the second shelf right there. And I can just slide a shelf in and out. And let me once again thank the people at Coldest Water for co-sponsoring this video. It was timely, I must say. Who knew I would need a water bottle today? And I did. So be sure and check out the link in the description box. They were kind enough to give me a discount code so that you can get your very own Coldest Water water bottle at a discount. For more spring cleaning motivation, click on the Spring Into Clean playlist that you will find linked in the description box below. There you will find 10 of my favorite YouTube creators, homemakers all, sharing with you how they're getting their spring cleaning on. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you're not done yet. Click on the link in the comments section and check out my whole house declutter, where I show you how to find the hidden clutter in your house. And I will see you next time.